Hi guys! Today we are learning how to increase music time on Snapchat. First of all, unlock your phone and open the Snapchat app. Now look at the bottom middle of the screen where the record button appears. Press and hold the button to record a longer video because longer videos allow longer music timing on Snapchat. After recording your video, tap on the Add Sound option at the top of the screen. This will open Snapchat's music library where you can add songs to your video. So don't worry because Snapchat automatically syncs music with your clip length. Now tap on the search bar and search for your favorite song. Once you find the song, tap on it to add it to your Snapchat video. The longer your video clip is, the more of the song Snapchat can play. After selecting the song, Snapchat may show a music timeline. Here you can choose which part of the song you want to use in your video. So adjust the section carefully to match your snap perfectly. Now, if the music sounds too low, use your phone's volume up button. This helps make the music clearer and louder in your snap. A smoother and longer clip usually creates a better music experience overall. Before posting, preview your snap carefully. Check whether the music timing feels smooth and synced with your video. If everything looks good, you can move to the final step. Finally, tap on the send button or add the snap to your story. Your Snapchat video will now play with the longer music timing successfully. So this is the easiest way to increase music time on Snapchat. And that's how you can increase music time on Snapchat step by step. Recording a longer video is the easiest trick because Snapchat matches the music length with your video duration automatically. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to subscribe and comment for more simple and useful Snapchat tutorials.